they found the first mine ladder here. Nice metal. Wow. We're out underneath another one of the inclines that would have come out from the now flooded levels up to the surface. So they found the first mine ladder here. Nice metal. So it's probably had, it would have had a catwalk across there originally for the miners to walk across. And
it's anyway, this ladder is dead end. It just
ends, it didn't go to the bottom, yeah.
Not in the bottom, just halfway. I don't know if you can see.
Yeah, I've got it.
So definitely I wouldn't test this one.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's gorgeous to see that with all the working chains hanging from there. I have seen this on some footage before, a little mobile ventilation fan. Yeah. That again run on compressed air.
I think it's a water there or another door. Can put the light if you there. Can you use the light and see what is there? There's good water. Water, yeah? Yeah, that one. For going there. Yeah. Okay, but we will go first there, and then on the.
Is that like a possible route?
Yeah. It means
So,
that this level should be level 5.
we just come into that chamber with a massive stack of deads. So that's all water down each one of these now, isn't it? Flooded levels. Okay, so I'll take you down a little bit of this stairway. Give you a better view of what we're going down to. So you can see at the end of each of these stairs. We've actually got hooks retaining them. Okay, pick it up when we get back to the bottom. Maybe medicine, like a medicine bottle. Cough medicine. Some big old files. Hobnail boots.
Yeah.
Some of the metal still intact. And very large chisels. And an old can. Look at the rust, either way the rust is formed on that. So cool, we're down to the next level now, and that means we've got more areas to show you and explore again. So I'm wondering, here, did they have a water pump? Start pumping water out, or was it another compressor? Because we've got a bit of compressed air there. Yeah.
Yeah, can be.
Either a pump or a compressor.
Okay, so again, we will go first right and go back.
Yeah. So can you remember the next route down?
Let's find out.
It'll jog your memory when we see it. Oh, that goes back towards where Martin is. And we've got a little bit of a, well, two sections that have been sectioned off a bit. It's probably had a nerd on there.
Yeah, we can go and check.
Yeah, so partway down this section that we've decided to investigate, we've come to a nice slate shelf. Got the compressed air lines running. What looks into a chamber. Ah, it's a flooded chamber as well. This is one of the chambers we're looking down on. Wow. Oh, so this is a chamber just by itself, isn't it? We've got some work boots there, so it's a later period. Oh wow. Oh yeah, some rubber dinghy.
Oh, there's. Yeah, there is. Yeah.
So there must be must be a route to that, unless someone's just left it here and it's drifted over there. You on that?
Cheers. Okay. Cool. So
Yeah, going through the next area that's been sectioned off with this door. Big massive chamber, got some nice artefacts at the side here. We've got various teapots, a large, probably oil can, 3 shovels, an old rusty teapot and glass bottle. And we've got some remains against the wall here as well. It's like a, well, the compressed air was coming up here. Kind of a little workspace.
yeah. Ah, this place doesn't check. Yeah, finally there.
Is this the portal?
Yeah.
Ah. All right, so now we're on the lowest levels now then. Got a few drips of water on with it, just unsettling it. I'll do a shot here. Oh wow. There is a route on over here. So this is part of one of the inclines, and in this particular section it just had the wooden beams. And there's a route that goes on over there.
Yeah. It's all broken.
That looks like a collapse. It's blocked that entrance. Yeah. It's collapsed.
Oh, yeah.
In both directions. There's a collapse. So right on the lowest level that's possible to investigate, we found some more newspapers, and we'll see if we can carefully position it. Let's try and find the date. It's not, but possibly off one of the headlines. We may find the date on the, well, straight away the money there is the old pre-decimalisation money, so that's going to take it into the 1960s or the very beginning of the 1970s. So we know it's not modern. This is going to go to a dead end by the looks of it. Or not. It's just a continuation of the drive that we was on earlier. I wonder, what were these? What was the purpose of these? Right. Was it to carry service parts through?
That's interesting.
Oh yeah. Calcite.
How old are they?
Sovereign. It could be anything from 1960s to 1980s. There's no health warning on it, so it's definitely pre-1990s, I would say. Right. Remains of a tub. Is there a route up there now? It's a scrambly one, but he'll take us up, won't it? Got some artifacts. Right, so we've got part of a drill steel or miner's cup, a flask, a little pot, and down we've got some Bristol and London. Let's try and enhance that. And there's a bit of old newspaper there. So fragile I don't want to touch. So I've got some interesting carbide lamp graffiti there. 1934, yeah, or 1934 it'll be. An interesting bracket on the ceiling. Okay, so we have part there going down to low levels, which I'm guessing was to pump water out from the low levels. So on this level we're on now, we can't go any lower because it's all flooded. But there are several more levels below us, which will never get explored again. So, as we saw earlier, we're at underneath another one of the inclines that would have come out from the now flooded levels up to the surface. This one's in a little bit better condition than the other one. Nevertheless, how long is it going to be there for? It looks like coming out into another chamber area. Yeah, we've got the water pipes going to the flooded levels below, pumping the water out. Yeah. There's another big drive coming off here now. So we've got something like a collector tank there. And as you can see, there would have possibly been another route down there at one time. We've got another set of flooded steps there. So, just a little higher there is the incline that we just walked under, and that's taking us down into the the abyss. Right. So the only other place I've seen anything like this is up near Coniston in the Lake District. There's a really nice preserved set of tracks there. We've got some more packaging. Oh, that's quite new. Big packet. And as you can see, we have another cart. One of those shorts, really strong chassis on them. So, let me take a look at the other side. So interestingly, you can see those wheels could actually move in and out should the track not be 100% the same gauge all the way through. Allows for a little bit of side movement. Just down to more flooded areas. Incline, I'm guessing that says. Yeah, the tracks here are probably in the best condition that we've seen in the rest of the mine. Oh wow. Another one of those stunning walls, isn't it? Yeah, you got a better view of that. I'll just get under this pipework. And we can just make out what I think is the remains of the winch at the top. And then down, down and into the abyss. Kind of difficult to tell whether it ends there or it continues. It says it carries on, but there isn't much there. Goes across into. Wow.
I think it was collapsed there, but I don't remember.
There's continuation but nowhere to get to it.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's all I need in mind. Too much risk to slide down.
Yeah.
You can see that.
Oh yeah, it goes above as well there. In the past.
Possible way.
Possible way up as well.
Yeah.
Using the alkathene.
But we still have all the way on the.
Yeah, on the other side to do, yeah. Continued, still on this lower level, the lowest level we can explore. Going through the tunnels. Oh yeah, this is the mortuary, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So apparently, don't know whether it was used continuously or whether just the last guy that died here, his body was brought here before it was taken up. It's known as the mortuary. Ah, so it's looking like it's going quite flooded now.
I think it's another incline.
Yeah, going down.
Yeah. A lot of wires.
Yeah, you can see the edge there, can't you?
Yeah.
And then it drops off. So that's the end.
So we can check if we have any tunnel there.
Yeah, so we're at the bottom of the incline there, and that continues like the others down into the abyss. See if I can get across. Oh, another set of flooded steps here.